Hi folks, welcome back. So I remember last week I said that I was done, but I wasn't done because I was thinking, number one, we found these two super cool shells when we were out here saving the sea turtles at the beach. And these don't really fit into a journal very well. But I did want to remember them somehow. So I went digging in my thrifted treasures and I came up with this border that I ended up cutting in half. Where's the rest of it? This is the rest of it. And that has shells on it, so I thought that was a good idea. Also, it's sparkly. And I like sparkly things. So I just cut a little bit of it off and I stuck it down here on the bottom just with some regular school glue. And then I found a sticker of a shell and I said, you know what? This is basically the spot that I was sitting at where I picked up these lovely shells. So why not go ahead and include that in here? And I really wanted a sea turtle, but y'all, out of all the things that I have, I did not have any sea turtle stickers. But I did have this little cutout here. So I just plopped this little guy here, again, with just some regular school glue. And that's where he's going to live, and I'm not doing anything else to him. I did take one of the sand dollars from this border that I got 100 years ago from somewhere, I don't even know. It might have been at the thrift store, might have been at Walmart, Michael's, like, literally don't know. But anyway, I thought this place was a little naked, so I just kind of cut off one of the sand dollars and I glued that down too. All right, so that's it. Literally, I'm not doing anything else with this spread. This is how it's going to live in our motorcycle book, and that's that. Next week, I will show you guys, I promise I'm not doing anything else to this motorcycle book. I'll show you how to incorporate these lovely bags that I told you about a couple of weeks ago, how to incorporate these into your journal. Have a good day. Bye, guys.